Hi to all. Today we are going to continue with fractions and decimals. It is chapter 2 in NCERT textbook. So, fractions and decimals. We have been doing exercise 2.4. Now we are going to question number 4. So it says a two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 kilometer in 1 liter of petrol. So with 1 liter of petrol, a two-wheeler runs 55.3 kilometers. How much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? So they are asking in 10 liters how much distance the two-wheeler would have covered. So whenever they give 1 liter so much and asking for 10 liters, we have to multiply. So 55.3 into 10. So 5530, and then the decimal has to be kept before one digit. So it is 553. And the unit is, we found the distance, so it is kilometers. In maths, always you should write the units, otherwise you will unnecessarily lose half mark. Now question number 5 is, first one, there are many parts here, 10 parts are there. 2.5 into 0.3. So as I told you earlier, don't get afraid of decimals. First you do 25 into 3. So 3 5s are 15, 5 1 carrier, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Now there is one digit after the decimal, there is one digit after the decimal. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So the decimal has to be kept before two digits. So the answer is, you can just put a 0 here, 0.75. Now let us see the second part. Second part is 0.1 into 51.7. So first, don't get frightened looking at the decimals. So 517 into 1 is 517. Now 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So the decimal has to come before two digits. So this is the answer. Now let me delete this. See, every day practice maths sincerely. Then you will find the subject very easy. When you practice again and again, that gives you confidence. It's actually an interesting subject. Okay, let me see the third part. So third one is 0.2 into 316.8. So what happened here? It got typed. 0.2 into 316.8. So what we will do now is, first multiply this. Just forget about the decimal and multiply this. 2 8s are 16, 6 1 carrier, 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13, 3 1 carrier, 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 3, 2 3s are 6. So we get 6336. Now 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So I am keeping the decimal before two digits. So the answer is 63.36. Now let us look at the fourth part. So the fourth part is 1.3 into 3.1. So first let us multiply. You can multiply in any order. 31 into 13. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 0, 1 ones are 1, 1 threes are 3. So we get 3403. Now 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So the decimal will be will be kept before two digits. So the answer is 4.03. Now let us look at the fifth part. It is 0.5 into 0.05. So just do 5 into 5 is 25. Now here 1 digit after the decimal, here 2 digits. So we have to keep the decimal before 3 digits. So 1, 2, when you don't have the third digit, put a 0 and then put the decimal, and you can just put a 0 here. It has no value actually. The one before the decimal, that is the 0, has no value. Now the answer is 0.025. Now let us look at the sixth one. Sixth one is 11.2 into 0.15. So first to do 112 into 15. So 5 2s are 10, 0, 1 carrier, 5 1s are 5, 6, 5 1s are 5, 0, 1 means you can just write the number like this. So 0, 8, 6, 1. So 1, 6, 8, 0. 1 plus 2, 3. So the decimal has to come here. So you can just write the answer as 1.68. Now let us see the seventh one. Let me delete this. Okay, now seventh one. Seventh one is 1.07 into 0.02. So what happens here? Just do 107 into 2. So 2 sevens are 14, 4, 1 carrier, 2 zeros are 0 plus 1. 1, 2 ones are 2. So the decimal has to be kept before 4 digits. So 1, 2, 3, put a 0, 4, and then put a decimal, and here you can put a 0. So the answer is 0.0214. Now what about the eighth one? Eighth one is 10.05 into 1.05. So let us multiply this. 1005 into 105. So 5 5s are 25, 5 2 carrier, 5 zeros are 0 plus 2, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5. Then 0. So you put zeros here and then put 2 zeros, and we are multiplying 1005 with 1. So you can just write like this, 1005. So what do we get? 5 2 5 5 1 0. So 105525. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So we have to keep the decimal before 4 digits. So that is the answer. Now ninth one. Ninth one is 101.01 into 0.01. So it is just this number is getting multiplied with 1. So you can write the answer directly like this. 2 plus 2 is 4. So the decimal has to come before 4 digits. So the answer is 1.0101. Always after the decimal, you have to read it digit by digit. Now what about the 10th one? This is the last, 100.01 into 1.1. So first let us multiply. So into 11. First just forget about the decimals. Now we are multiplying with 1. So you will get the same thing. Now 0. Again multiplying with 1. So you are going to get the same thing. So write it like this. 1 1 0 0 1 1. So now the decimal has to be kept before 3 digits. So what do we get here? We get the decimal here. So the answer is 110.011. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. And grade 7 students, keep watching. You don't have to attend the tuitions actually if you look at my videos which I am posting regularly. Okay, bye for now.